Be ready. Start. The first respondent hyphen complainants 7 years old son was ill and was taken to a doctor, comma, who, comma, in turn, comma, referred the case to a hospital at Davangere, where the first respondent's son was admitted. Full stop. The first respondent's son unfortunately died while he was admitted in intensive care unit of the hospital. Full stop. A first information report was lodged at the instance of the first respondent with the police station at Kudligi against the doctors and others, alleging the commission of an offense punishable under section 304A of Indian Penal Code in bracket for short IPC bracket complete full stop. The first respondent had filed a writ petition in this court seeking transfer of investigation of the said offense to the Central Bureau of Investigation full stop. Before this court could deal with the same, comma, single inverted comma B report was filed, comma, against which a protest petition was lodged by the first respondent, full stop, para. According to the case of the first respondent, comma, the manager of Ahana Sauharda Credit Cooperative Limited came to him and called upon him to repay a sum of rupees 2 lakhs, which was allegedly borrowed by him from the said credit society, full stop. According to the case of the first respondent, comma, he informed the said manager of the society that only a sum of rupees 45,000 was borrowed by him and the same has been repaid, full stop. According to his case, comma, after repayment of the entire amount, comma, the said credit society had also executed a registered reconveyance deed in respect of the property mortgaged by him, full stop. The first respondent lodged a complaint on 27th October 2017 against the said manager, full stop, the said manager also lodged a complaint which was registered as crime number 191 of 2016, and the first respondent was arrested in connection with the same. Full stop. Stop.